Has this ever happened to you? You just finished dinner, all of the dishes are piled into the sink, it's overflowing, your kids are starting to complain that they're still hungry, but all they want is sugar. Your energy is completely gone. All you want to do is plop on the couch and scroll on your phone. Am I the only one that is guilty of that on a somewhat consistent basis? What if I told you that one simple change could completely transform your after meal experience, not only just your energy levels, but also measurably affect your blood sugar levels? How wild would that be? I'm Dr. Will, I'm a family wellness chiropractor, and I've been helping families unlock their God-given healing potential for, over 10 years now. And that starts with my own family. I was totally blown away when I was doing some research the other day, and I stumbled upon this article, and it was showing that simply getting up and going for a 5-minute walk after dinner dramatically reduced blood sugar levels. So why does this matter? Most of us don't think twice about what we do after dinner. We pile all the dishes into the sink, we go sit on the couch, and we just zone out, because that's about all the energy that we feel that we have left, because all of our blood is rushing down into our stomach and our digestive organs in order to break down that delicious dinner that we just had. However, that transition straight into sedentary triggers the body to, hey, this is actually what I need to be doing on a regular basis. So what happens if you flip the script on that? Now, the problem that most people have with blood sugar is we think that it's just for diabetics to manage, but all of us experience this. When we eat a meal, our body experiences a spike in blood sugar as that meal is being broken down. And then our body experiences a spike in insulin that tells the body to pull that out and put it away for storage. It goes into your muscles for glycogen. It goes into your fat cells for storage. And so we need to train the body to not put it into fat cells so that we can start to use it right away. A great way to do this is walking. Turns out this one study showed that 2 to 5 minutes of light intensity walking, I'm not talking like power walking around the block, 2 to 5 minutes of light intensity walking dramatically changed and lowered the blood sugar spikes and the insulin sensitivity and response after a meal. What that means is more stable energy, fewer spikes, fewer crashes, better recovery. And the best part about this, it's free. There's some other cool studies that show that movement after eating speeds up digestion, reduces indigestion, and again, overall improves our metabolic markers. Think about it like this. What does if your family is anything like mine, what does your 3-year-old do immediately after getting out of her high chair? Speeds down the hallway, grabs her stroller, and is pushing her baby dolls up and down the hallway, working in her play kitchen in the living room constantly, right? So kids go straight back to play after they've eaten. That's exactly what our bodies are designed to do. So what's the easy way to do this? Well, number one, just go play with your kids. That's an easy way to do this. That's one of the things that we do in our family, especially during the winter when we didn't want to bundle up and go outside. After dinner, okay, let's play, in the house. I'm not going to lay on the couch. We're going to play in the house. We're going to walk back and forth. We're going to read a book. We're going to, get on down our hands and knees. We're going to build some blocks. We're going to move our bodies even just that slightest little bit. We're just not going to sit down. Now that it's starting to get nice outside, springtime and summer, boom, get done with dinner, go back outside. We're going to play in the backyard for 20 minutes before we come back in and get ready for bed. Those simple changes, one, your kids want to do it already. Two, I dare you to do this. I dare you to try this. You will be surprised with the way that your body starts to change and process and metabolize food. Your energy level is going to be better. You're going to have less of a crash after you eat, assuming you ate good food and you didn't overeat to begin with. You're probably going to sleep better as well. Those 3 things, I dare you to try it. Comment below. Tell me how many days you're going to try to do this, or what activity you're going to try after dinner. Anything counts. Getting up on your feet and walking is going to be the best. 2 to 5 minutes is what the research says. 2 to 5 minutes. You guys can do 2 to 5 minutes. Can you do 2 to 5 minutes? I think you can do 2 to 5 minutes. I dare you to do it. Comment below. Tell me what you're going to do this week.